Hey folks, today we're looking at this. This comes to us from Vornado. It is a fantastic heater and fan. Probably one of the top brands on Amazon when it comes to heating and fans. Okay, so it's got 7 different speeds. You can see it's very quiet. And we have used this for a while now. A little dusty, but just proving that we have tested it. Now it's already kicking out a very hot heat. You can say we've got settings 1, 2, and 3. Again, I apologize, it is a little dusty. But 1, 2, and 3. On and off right there. Easy to set up. Does come with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. So you're gonna wanna order this one today. You absolutely will not be disappointed.